As I was walking down Life's Highway many years ago, I came upon a sign that read Heaven's Grocery Store. When I got a little closer, the door swung open, and I finally realized I was already standing inside. I saw a host of angels, and they were standing everywhere, and one handed me a basket. Everything a human needed was in that grocery store, and what you could not carry, you can actually come back for more. First, I got some patience, then love was in the same room. Further down was understanding, and I got also a box or two of wisdom and faith, and a bag or two of charity. I couldn't miss the Holy Ghost because it was all over the place. And then I picked up some strength and courage to help me run this race. My basket was getting full, but I remembered I needed grace, and then I chose salvation because it says it is free. I tried to get enough of what I could for you and me. And then I started to the counter to pay my grocery bill, for I thought I had everything. And as I went up the aisle, I saw prayer, and I put that in. Peace and joy were plentiful, and the last thing on the shelf were songs and praise. And then I said to the angel, "How much do I owe?" And the angel said, "Just take them everywhere you go. You don't have to pay anything." And I then asked again, "How much do I really owe?" And the angel said, "My child, God paid your bill a long, long time ago." It's a very beautiful poem.